What's up, Mystery Gang? Welcome back to Share Mystery Inc. I'm your host, Chelsea Brown here. Alright guys, today we're doing yet another reaction video, and today we'll be reacting to Cheer Athletics' brand new team. They are called Wildcat. So this is a senior large open 5. This is an open 5 team. Let's see what they got to offer. I'm excited, and I hope you guys are. I like the uniforms. I haven't seen the team to paint the girls and pants in years. This formation's good. Bow tiny. Alright, but that's alright. Ooh, okay. Yeah. Ooh. Okay, so that was a good little opening set. Little timing issues, but you know, that happens. So, gonna let that slide a little bit. But for so far, they look really good. The transitions and the opening look really good. And I can tell that they're really excited. Ah, very pretty. Nice. Ooh, watch that line. Yes. Ooh, watch that line. Watch that. Gotta watch that. They took points off our freeze today. Here we go. Here we go. Beautiful basket. Okay. They look really exciting. Everything all right? Okay. Still nothing happened. Nice, nice. Okay, I don't know what that pause was. I hope nobody got hurt. I mean, not to be funny. I mean, seriously, I mean, I do not like seeing athletes getting hurt, guys. It's not funny. Oh my God. I do not. Ooh, nice switch. Oh, very strong. Very strong. No girl in the back kind of had to fake it. Great timing. I mean, their timing is off the chain.
What the?
Ooh, out of bounds. No. Step off that mat. Woo! Okay, kick to a double. Okay, kick to a double. That's right. So far, I saw a few people, they were out of bounds. Say, y'all know judges take points off like crazy for that stuff. Like the littlest things. It's crazy. But so far, they're doing really good. Their energy is up and high. I love that. Good, good, good. Oh, nice. There, come on now. Yes. Very good. Okay, another page. Okay, they keep on pausing. I don't know what that is. I guess with the new team, it kind of gotta brush up and they gotta catch up a little bit. But so far, I love the routine. I love it. So let's see the dance. I'm thinking about the dance. Okay. Ooh. Okay, go ahead. They have to save it for the last. Okay. Hey. Okay. Nice. That's really good. That's really good. That is really good. I loved it. I loved it. It was really awesome. It was good. I loved the energy. I loved it. It was good. Their energy was so up, and I think, but at the same time, they're out of bounds. That's a problem. I think they just gotta work up. They gotta work on like staying inside the floor, don't go off the line, because the judges take points off crazy for that stuff. like they literally do. So I would watch out for that stuff. But overall, great basket toss, beautiful provide position stunts, everything was good. I just wish, I hope they can work on a little bit of timing and keep in the floor. They'll be flawless, but so far the routine was good. I mean, the pauses were a little distracting. I didn't know if somebody got hurt or something. I got thought. But other than that, I will say they did a fantastic job. They're really good. This team is really good material, world's winning material. They're really good. So I will say, with that being said, great job, Wildcats Blue. Y'all did amazing. Great job. Wish you guys good luck this year. I hope to see you. All right, then. We'll get to the next team in just a moment. Pronto. See you then.